In this video, you will learn how to create a new course for your website. So starting from the main dashboard, we're going to navigate to our courses menu. And what we want to do is go ahead and click on the courses icon. So here you'll be able to see your courses, and we can see that we do not have any current courses created. So what we want to do to start things off is under available courses, we want to click this icon and you will see that created a new course. All right, so we want to start customizing and creating this new course. So we can now click this new course icon and that will automatically create a course session. So now we can go in and start customizing our course. But first, let's give our course a name. So we're going to come to the All Courses button here. And here we can view that we've created one new course. Under Tools, we can click this icon next to the X. We can give our course a name. I'm going to call it Course 1 and click Enter. Now we can come back to our course dashboard and we can see that our course number 1 has been created. So we can now click on our course number 1 and that will create our first course session. So congratulations on completing the first step. Next, we're going to be getting into actually customizing your course modules and adding course sessions.